And welcome to another tutorial. I am Brandon and I am the founder of Serenity Design, and today, I don't know where that came from. Today I'll be talking about text editing, so how to edit text in Photoshop. So here I have my main template that I use for the I've lost all words today for the thumbnails, that's the word. Thumbnails for the YouTube. So I've got one image, I've got one background image, and I've got two text boxes here. So basically if I want to add a text, you go to the text tool here, and you click, oh, I've done the wrong thing, hold on 1 second. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that, but we will see. So it went up here. It doesn't usually do that, but when you add some text, you'll get it here. So it might be a different font. It may be a different size. I played around a lot with the settings, so obviously mine might look a bit different to yours, but it all does the same thing. So once you click the text and you click the canvas, you'll add text here. To edit it, you just double click it and it will highlight, and you can add anything you want. So I'll just put hello world, and then to de-highlight you just click something else. So I just click the canvas and it's gone back to a movable word here. All the settings are in the properties folder here. So this is how you can transform the width, the height, the X and Y axis. The main ones that you probably use are here, so this is where you get a different font. So I quite like this bubbly font, so I will make it like that. You can change the size of the text, so you can make it bigger or you can make it much bigger. As you can see, this is huge, so let's bring it down a bit. Let's bring it down to 100, there you go. You can change the width of so if I put hello world, you can change the line. So if you highlight the whole thing and you go down to this section here, you can change, you can change the width of the line. So you can make it closer, you can make it more further away. Lastly, here in this little section, you can change the color, so you will be given a spectrum here, and you can change it to pink, you can change it to blue, whatever you'd like to do. Oh, that rhymed. So I'm going to change this to hello world to hello there, or hello hey, just random words, just purely for the demonstration. So here, as you can see, the setting is to the left. I can make it go to the middle, and it will jump to the middle, or I can make it go to the right, and then it will jump to the right. So whatever you want it to do, you can do that. The second one is type options, so you can make it all uppercase, you can make it all lower and uppercase, you can make it into a superscript or subscript, you can underline it, you can cross it out, and these ones are for different versions of type. So that is all of these here. So I'm going to change it back to all here. Now, if you want to change the gradients and stuff, you can come down here to the effects, and you can click any one of these. So you can make it 3D and emboss it or bevel it. So here, if I add that there, as you can see, it's kind of added a. This is not the most high quality thing here. You can make a drop shadow, so I can make it big, small. I can change noise, so it just becomes a normal shadow. You know, the world is your oyster. But that is the basics on how to edit text. Do check out our next videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, because I've got lots more tutorials coming. I'm just in the middle of editing them, and I'm going to be filming some more as well in the coming weeks. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoyed this video.